How to hack username and password of a website. Securing a website is a process that is becoming an essential necessity based on the number of sophisticated website attacks that are launched almost every day. Besides just learning about web security and how to use various security measures, we should also keep ourselves updated about common vulnerabilities. The most basic security measure when dealing with websites is to never trust password savers and always have strong passwords, because weak ones will, unfortunately, make you a victim of a username and password hack. Remember that a plain, long text password is much harder to brute force and easier to remember when compared to a short cryptographic one. Passwords are thus important as they play a vital role in protecting all your resources and accounts from unauthorized access. What is password cracking? Password cracking refers to the process of recovering or guessing a password from data transmission systems or from stored locations. This process is used by hackers to recover a forgotten password or to get a password for unauthorized access. Password hacking usually involves hackers brute forcing their way into a website admin panel, for instance, a login, and then attacking the server with millions of differences in order to enter the system. That needs a CPU. Based on how fast the machine works, the password cracking process will also work faster. Password hacking techniques. The most commonly used password hacking techniques are given below. Dictionary attack. In this method, a word list is used to compare against user passwords. Brute force attack. This method is very much like the dictionary attack. These attacks use algorithms that combine alphanumeric characters and symbols in order to create passwords for the attack. This password cracking method involves the very aspect of guessing. Passwords like password, admin, QWERTY, etc. are mostly set as default passwords. These passwords can get easily compromised if the user is careless when selecting them or if they have not been changed. Spidering. There are cases where several organizations use passwords containing company details available on company websites, Twitter, Facebook, etc. This process involves collecting information from these sources in order to develop word lists. This word list is used to accomplish brute force and dictionary attacks. Rainbow table attack. This password hacking method uses pre-computed hashes. For instance, imagine if we have a database which stores passwords as MD5 hashes. The hacker can then develop another database that has MD5 hashes of frequently used passwords. This will be followed by comparing the password hash against the hashes stored in the database. If there is a successful match, then the correct password has been cracked. Tips on what to avoid while creating a password. Following are some of the common password mistakes which need to be avoided. Never use passwords with repeated or sequenced characters. Never use passwords that are categorized in the worst password list. On an annual basis, data analysis companies publish a list of worst passwords of the year based on an analysis of the leaked password data. Refrain from using a dictionary word. Never use your parent's name, pet's name, driver's license number, phone number, or anything which you feel is easy to guess. How to defend against password and username hacking. Usernames are applied in order to identify a person to a computer system. A password is mostly used to ensure that only the correct person is using the username. Hackers are aware of the fact that at least some passwords for most systems are easily guessed or generally weak, and they will indeed very often try to access computers using password guessing programs. The best way to prevent password thieves is by creating a hack-proof password. This strong password can be created by following the key tips mentioned below. Let your passwords be lengthy. Keep changing your passwords frequently. Never share your passwords. A strong password should have alphanumeric, special characters and lowercase and uppercase letters. Besides applying all of the above-mentioned tips for creating a strong password, you should always go in for a permanent and reliable web security solution that will provide complete protection for your website and all that is contained within it: sensitive data, login details, usernames, passwords, etc. To help you get this completed security package, Komodo has developed C-Watch Web, a managed security service for websites and web applications. Komodo C-Watch Web is the perfect web security tool for your website because it is available with the following key features. Real Content Delivery Network delivers web content at a faster rate by caching it a global data center to shorten distances, provide website security, and meet traffic spikes. SIEM Threat Detection Certified experts use sophisticated technology to help you solve security incidents faster. Full blacklist removal. All the blacklists will be removed to your website after the website scanning process. Instant malware removal keeps you informed about the exact malware that attacks your website. Website hack repair. The website malware removal feature allows the website hack repair process to provide a complete report on areas you have to focus on. Bot protection tracks genuine website users who need to be protected from capture or annoying delayed pages. 24/7 cybersecurity operations. Certified experts use improved technology to help solve security incidents at a faster rate. Managed web application. Firewall works at all web servers by functioning like a customer inspection point to identify and filter content like embedded malicious website code. Daily malware and vulnerability scan. A daily report will be sent to monitor the safety of your website. Website acceleration enables your website to perform faster. DDoS protection. This enhances the traffic on your website and blocks hackers from applying software vulnerabilities.
Thanks for watching.